In the walk-in manager screen, you will notice that the staff members, the employees, are listed at the top of the screen. If it is the responsibility of the staff to clock in and clock out to properly track their hours, then all you have to do is select the name of the employee, and a window appears, and this includes relevant information, including levels and capabilities for that staff member. On the top right corner of that pop-up window, there is a slider that allows you to clock on or clock off the employee. And you will actually notice a green dot appears next to their name. So this will allow you to see if the staff member is on the clock or off the clock. If a staff member has to go away, perhaps take a break, on the bottom right, you can actually say this staff member is out for 10 or 15 minutes, for example. And when we press the away button, you'll actually notice that the color of that dot changes to orange to notify you that this employee is away. Now, if we wanted to return the staff member, it's as easy as that. So on this window, the left side of the screen is a list of customers that are waiting to be put in service. On the right side of the screen are customers that are actually in service. If you wanted to check in a customer and your business does not necessarily collect customer information, phone numbers, emails, when you press the check-in button, Shortcuts will ask you for a client identifier. So this can be as something as simple as a customer's name. So I can say, for example, Will comes in, and I press done, and Shortcuts will ask me, what is Will coming in for? I'll choose haircuts, men's haircut, and then press done. So Shortcuts will look at who's available, and it will actually recommend Steve has an opening. Would the client like to go into service or stay on the wait list? And if the customer says in service, you press in service, it will confirm Steve's doing the haircut, and it will put him into service. If your location does primarily collect customer information, then when you go to check in on the walk-in manager, you'll actually go to the client screen, which allows you to search for customers based on their name, phone number, or email. So in this case, if I'm looking for Brian, for example, I'll select Brian, and Brian is coming in for a haircut, and again, I will press done. So Steve is available for a haircut. So does he want to go into service or wait? In this case, Brian will go into service. Shortcuts confirms the employee. And the customer has gone from the wait list to the in-service list.